Okay, hello people, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to install Virtualbox virtualization software, and then we are gonna install and run a operating system Linux distro called Kali, which is used by penetration testers, hackers all around the world. And then we are gonna install a Windows 10 machine, and hopefully we will ping between these machines and it will work. So first of all, go to virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads, and if you are using Windows, click this URL here, Windows host. If you're using macOS and Intel chip, click this one. I believe there are workarounds if you're using macOS and M1, M2, M3 chips, so don't worry. And after you download the Windows host file, I want you to download the Virtualbox extension pack. When you click this one, it will download. So there are two downloads in this page. Alright, going to the next one. We want to pre-built virtual machine. That's why we went to kali.org, get Kali virtual machines, and then since we are using Virtualbox as a virtualization software, we are going to download this one. This one is going to download a 3 GB in size file, and this file is going to be compressed, so you'll need another program called 7-zip or WinRAR like that to uncompress, unzip that file. I can recommend 7-zip.org. You can download 7-zip from here and install on your computer. Moving forward, to download Windows 10, you can either go Microsoft.com and software download Windows 10, or so when you go here and click download now, it's gonna download a media converter tool. Then you're gonna run that tool to download a ISO file, but I have already gone through that process, so you don't have to. I have uploaded that ISO file to Drive, and I will also provide this link in the description, so you don't have to go through that process and it will be faster. Okay, let me close those tabs and open up the file manager, go to the downloads. Okay, this is all the files that we need. This is the Virtualbox. Let me run it as the administrator. The installation is very simple. You just click next, 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 everything, and then you are in good hands. Let's not start now, finish, and then we are going to install Virtualbox extension pack. This is going to automatically open up the Virtualbox, that's why I didn't want to start it. Yep. Reinstall, scroll down, I agree. It's creating that UAC, user access control, sometime. Okay, it's installed. Now what we are gonna do, let me remove that network. So host only and net networks that you can see. Let's create our net network and call it as, in my case, Jack network. Okay, I may apply. So now our Virtualbox is working, and we need to import that Kali machine. So what are we going to do? Let's go to machine and then add. So machine, then add, then go to Kali, and then open this file. This is going to import that machine. All right. If you go to details, you can see it automatically assigned 2 gigabytes of RAM and 2 processors. Let's go to settings on the network. Click NAT network and choose your network. It automatically assigned my network. All right. This machine is working. Let me start off. So it will start. Since this is the first boot process, it will take some time. Okay. Now I'm going to machine and then new. New machine is going to be the Windows 10. Windows 10 machine. And we have an ISO file that you can see. Let's point this ISO file. Next, since it knows the Windows by natively, let's create a user jack. You can put the easiest passwords because you need to remember later. Okay, let's give some more, like 4 CPUs and 5 gigabytes of RAM, because yesterday I took this video and then that Windows computer booted in 20 minutes. Alright, just next and finish. It should be automatically booting now. Now let's enter our Kali virtual machine. The username and password is Kali. Let me log in. Alright, the Kali virtual machine is working, as you can see. Okay. Let's wait a little bit for Windows to boot up. That's gonna take some time based on your configuration. So I have put 4 cores and 5-ish gigabytes of RAM to that Windows computer. So it's like working on a base model laptop out there. Okay, it's going faster than yesterday. So we have no other task to do in the file manager. Let me close that. So let me also check the VirtualBox manager's settings. So the Kali machine is attached to the NAT network and named Jack network. So let's also put the Windows 10 machine into our Jack network. Okay, it's gonna restart automatically. Restart now. So Windows is installed to the virtual hard drive. Right now, it's the first booting process. So if you put two cores, one cores to this machine, like Windows 10 machine, it will take just longer, but it will do. We are almost there. After this, I believe Windows is gonna take us to we are setting everything for you. Almost there screen. Okay, it's booting up again because why not? As you can see, our Kali machine is working, and let's ping 1.1.1. As you can see, we can ping. Let's look at our IP config. We have an IP address of 10.0.2.6, our IPv4 address. We also have our IPv6 address. All right. It automatically logs in. I didn't click anything, entered anything. Windows is gonna set up something for us. We are getting everything for you. I hope it does not take more several minutes. So after it opens up, we are just gonna do a basic ping test between these machines, and we will close up the video. Okay, leave everything to us. Alright, it's opening, almost there. Okay, I think it's working. Okay, let's go to the command prompt and IP config. As you can see, it has an IP address 10.0.2.8. They are in the same subnet. So let's ping the Kali machine from here, 10.0.2.6. As you can see, we get a reply from the Kali machine itself. Okay, if you have enough space on your computer, one recommendation would be to take a snapshot of these machines. If you have space on your hard drive, go to snapshots and just press take, and it will take a snapshot. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.